How to add RSI and moving average indicators on Tradingview, change timeframes for better analysis. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add two powerful indicators, RSI, Relative Strength Index, and Moving Average, to your Tradingview chart. We'll also walk through how to change timeframes so you can analyze the market at different intervals. Let's get started. First, let's add the RSI indicator. At the top of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Indicators. Click on it to bring up the indicator menu, where you can search for different indicators to add to your chart. In the search bar, type RSI or Relative Strength Index. When the RSI option appears, simply click on it, and the indicator will be applied to your chart. You'll see the RSI line plotted at the bottom. While the default settings work well for most users, you can adjust them by clicking the settings gear icon next to the indicator's name. This opens a menu where you can modify the RSI length or line color to match your preferences. After making changes, click OK to update the indicator. To add a moving average, return to the Indicators button and type Moving Average in the search bar. Click on Moving Average when it appears, and it will be added to your chart. You'll notice the moving average line appears with a default setting of 9 periods. Like the RSI, you can adjust its settings by clicking the gear icon. Here, you can modify the length, color, and type of moving average, whether simple, exponential, or another variety. For example, if you want to change it to a 50-period moving average, simply update the settings and click OK to refresh your chart. Now that you've added both indicators, let's discuss changing timeframes. Look at the top of your chart, where you'll find the timeframe options. The default might show 1D for a daily chart. Click the drop-down to see various timeframe options, ranging from 1 minute to monthly charts. Select your preferred timeframe, and the chart will automatically update. This feature allows you to analyze the market from different perspectives, whether you're interested in short-term trends or long-term movements. That's it, a straightforward guide to adding RSI and moving average indicators on your Tradingview chart, plus how to change timeframes for various types of market analysis. It's really that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends.